Hi, boys and girls. So, you have been working on some poetry prep. This week, we are going to be focusing on the parts of speech. We are going to be working on nouns, verbs, and adjectives this week. Well, what are nouns? Nouns are a person, place, or thing. And nouns, boys and girls, are all around us. Nouns can be people, such as boy, baby, a girl. They can be an animal, a place, a thing, such as a car, or an idea. So, boys and girls, I want you to think about this here. Nouns, again, are all around you. If we take a look around Miss Lespiza's house, you will see that I have nouns right now in my house. So, for example, Miss Lespiza has a noun here. The first noun I have is a person, which is Miss Lespiza. A place. Where am I right now? You are all in the same. You live in an apartment, a house. That is a noun. So I'm going to put house. Thing. I have things all around me right now. Look at this. A phone. A phone is a noun, which is a thing. Idea. You know what I feel right now? I feel so much love and happiness. So that is also known as a noun. I'm going to put happy. Some other nouns we can find for sure around your house. Look around you, boys and girls. Another person. Maybe you have mom, dad, a sister there, a dog as well. So right now, as another person, I'm going to put Vinny. That's a noun. A place, okay? You boys and girls, where are you working right now? Some of you might be working in a desk. Some of you might have an office. I'm in my kitchen, so I'm going to put kitchen. A thing, boys and girls. So again, like I said, nouns are all around us. I have my handy dandy, nice, shiny markers here. So this is a noun. Markers. And again, we said ideas can be a noun. So feelings, boys and girls. Think about all those feelings that you had. So I said I was happy and I'm also very thankful. So these are nouns. So boys and girls, today you will be focusing on nouns. Again, nouns are a person, place, thing, idea. And nouns are all around you. Have fun looking for nouns, boys and girls. Bye.